Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you already have a resume on Overleaf and you want to update or customize it in 2026, this guide will show you the latest and the easiest editing process step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on overleaf.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account in order to get access to your dashboard. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in my dashboard, and here if I click on the all projects option, I'm going to see all of the projects that I have created. So as you can see, this was the resume I was previously working on. So when you double click on this resume, it is going to be opening into this type of editor. Now, when the project opens in front of you, the very first thing that you need to search for is this particular file that starts from .tex. So when you search for this particular file, you will be able to basically start editing it over here. So this is the main.tex, and over here you can in order to start editing, you just have to double click on the context, and then you just have to simply start editing the information over here on this particular page. Now when you are done editing, you don't need to save it manually because it will going to save automatically, and that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.